All right. This is furniture power we developed. It's patented. It works with the all kinds of furniture, especially for these conference today. There's a need for that. It fits standard grommet size. So if you cut a hole here, or if you do have a hole here already on your furniture, it sits flush with the hole. Push it. Here you got 4 outlet, 2 USB charging port, 2.1 amp total, allows you to charge minimum 1 iPad. And so it's available, UL certified already under furniture standard 962A, and it's one of our innovative product. And so if you're looking for more information, please visit www.Rite-Tech, Rite-Tech.com.tw.